Boxpark was an idea that came about sometime in 2011 between Roger Wade, who was the CEO and was really into street fashion and independent traders, and wanted to provide a home for those kind of retailers, a sort of purpose-built, bespoke unit that worked for them. So the idea was coming up with a pop-up mall, somewhere that we could put something down that enabled these independent traders we love so much to work with us, but also we could deliver it quickly, and we could deliver it in locations where you couldn't actually deliver these projects beforehand because of the timelines involved, and occupy bits of land in urban areas that you couldn't otherwise build on because of long-term development projects. Developments like Boxpark Croydon, which just kind of populate an area that would be vacant otherwise and make it a really lively space that pushes forward this whole range of development off the back of it. And that's what we're doing.
Айсинин is the world's leader in spray foam insulation. We've been around since 1986, so for over 30 years we've been producing spray foam insulation.
We were contacted firstly in January 2016 by the project architect who followed up on our website and seen the range of products that we had. So we identified the HFO product as being a very, very suitable product in terms of insulation properties, air sealing qualities, and maintaining the design and maximising the space that they could utilise within the containers.
It's all about trying to give as much space as possible to the retailers. If you think of a retailer taking a single container, it's actually a relatively small space, and therefore we needed to find an insulation product that we could use in quite a thin layer. And we went through a whole series of exercises looking at things like mineral wool and foam and all sorts of different foam products, but the most thermally efficient, best product we could find was Icinene, which meant from the retailer's point of view we could make the wall zone as thin as possible and give them as much space as possible, which is after all what this building's all about.
Why spray foam? Well, for us it's all about speed. So once we've got a site locked down, we want to be able to move in. We want to go from the first stages of design to build in 12 months, and we've got to do something really, really swift to make that happen. We have to comply with all the building regs. It has to be an entirely legal building, so working with someone like Iceland really works for us. On top of which, because of the dimensions of the containers, it's not obviously a massively enormous space to be working with. We could put something in that we could both guarantee performance and also minimise the impact on the rest of the shell design. Finally, the fact that it's GWP and it's actually producing something that no other producers are doing at the moment, and we're really important about how we work with the environment, that's really important to us too, and the fact we can bring that into the project too made a real difference to how we could build out the scheme.
Because of the ever-changing regulatory needs globally and the requirement for a low GWP product, we've partnered with Chemours and their new blowing agent, Opteon 1100, to innovate and create world-class products to support our customers across North America, Japan, and the EU.
The Chemours company is very excited on our recent partnership with Icinene, as we consider Icinene to be a leader in the spray foam insulation industry. Opteon 1100 is a new generation HFO blowing agent with a low GWP and zero ODP. Feedback from Icinene initially on this HFO blowing agent has been incredible thermal conductivity, and sprayability has been fabulous.
It's really great to be part of this Boxpark project. It's just a really cool project. We're excited that our product could be part of it, that we had the properties that the architect needed. It's wonderful watching it being sprayed into the Boxpark. These sprayers really love spraying it. The sprayability is fantastic. The thermal conductivity of the product is fantastic. We've had some great results with this, and this is really the first big project where we sprayed our new product. We're the pioneers of modern spray foam insulation and the innovators and leaders in the category.